Wala naman talaga yan. Ganda oh. Diba? Batang adik oh.
Sabihin walang wifi. Hindi na ang wifi. Kapalog na. Tsaka walang wifi. Ayan.
Hawak-hawak ko na lang ito electric pan. Ito, ka.
Ganyan ka na lang. Para ka ng frozen ice.
Apa.
May double electric pan ka na.
Double electric pan.
Ganda ng ano ko.
Sana all. Bakit tabi niya? Naka-record na yan?
So why did he want to kill him? But the monster didn't listen to a single word he said and was about to crush him with its giant foot. The boy quickly crawled out and grabbed the monster's dirty nail, begging for forgiveness. But the monster still tried to crush him by lifting its rotten heel and dropping it on him. But the boy somehow escaped again. Now he understood that this monster would not stop until it killed him. Then a trick came to his mind. He quickly said, "Before I die, I just want to see one thing. Can you change your size?" Surprisingly, the simple-minded monster fell for his words and without thinking, shrank itself and went back inside the same bottle. The boy saw his chance and immediately went and closed the bottle's lid. Now the monster realized that he had been trapped by the boy's trick. Now, out of fear, he began begging the boy for forgiveness and said, "If you free me again, I will grant you 3 wishes." The boy saw truth in his words. He felt pity for the monster and freed him again. As soon as the monster came out, he thanked the boy and said, "Now tell me, what is your first wish?" The boy thought for a moment and said, "Making some hot food." The monster instantly granted his wish, and a hot, fragrant sausage appeared in his hand. The boy would have been hungry for 3 days, but as soon as he saw it, as soon as he smelled his food, he was like his second wish too. The monster then wanted to obtain the shine. One guard moved the goddess's finger, and a giant spider began coming out from below. The boy got a little scared. He grabbed the boy and started to grab the spider off from under him. As soon as the spider attacked him, he tried to push it away with his
Buti wala kang dalang awa.
Wala, nakikita mo. Ayan. Ha? Ay! Aalis kami! Andito na, palabas na! Punta kami tapya doon sa Water District. Hinihilit po ano, tulog man. Anak kanila, malapit lang naman ha. Dito ka na lang oh.
Sara mo ngayon, ililipat.
Ha? Balik ka daw alas 2? Ah, okay. Ah, okay.
Kumuha na ng ano, ng barangay clearance.
Ano ba yan? Ah, sige na, sige na. Bye-bye.
Isang electric pan. Isang electric pan.
Wala pakialaman, mabigat kasi yan.
Wala kang malayo.
Magpapabulkit muna. Kulit mo naman.
O ba?